In today's lesson, we're going to begin Project 1. And Project 1 is going to be creating a Notan design from our drawing of our apple composition. Okay, so we're going to take this, we're going to trace it, and we're going to create a design. Okay, so right now we have our full drawing. It's fully rendered. We have at least 3 values here. And if you remember from our Dow apple design that we just completed, we traced that design that Dow provided, and then we transferred it, and then we filled it in with the marker, okay? In 3 values. We used the micron and the Sharpie marker. We're basically going to do the same thing, except that our tracing process is going to be a little different. Instead of strictly outline, we're going to deal with area, value area, okay? And I'm going to demonstrate how we're going to do that. So you're going to get your design out, okay? And we're going to trace it. Here is my tracing of that same design, okay? And when you look at this, it's not typical of what you saw on the Dow design. I've indicated areas that are going to be filled in with a certain value, okay? And I've indicated whether that value is going to be my dark, my black, my white, or my third value, okay? So we're going to use a key to identify each area. So I use the D for my darks. You can use a B for black. I use a W for my whites, which is basically the white of the paper. And I use the number 3, which is going to be our narrow parallel lines that'll create our third value, okay? All right. But again, we're going to identify an area and label that area and the value that we're going to apply there, okay? And I'll show you the techniques that we're going to use. But first I'm going to demonstrate how you identify each area through a tracing.